Okay, guys, I want to just say something, okay? I want to put a message out there because I'm an older person. You know, I'm not old, but I'm like 41 almost. And I want to just say, younger people really need to respect older people. That's what I really say. Not everybody needs to respect everybody, definitely. But, you know, I want to say people like, if you're 20 or, you know, in your late teens or, you know, or your early 20s, you have to remember, okay, if someone's like nearly double your age, or if someone's 10 years older than you, or 20 years older, or even more, or, you know, 20, 30 years old, how can you not respect someone? You know, especially like double your age as well. You know, when you go through your life, you get more experience, you know, to cap the, you get more experience in life, not just in what you've experienced in the world around you, but just as a human being, you've developed and you've lived like this. It really is wise to just not follow people, but like understand that there's some wisdom there, wisdom in knowing that you can always learn something, definitely from being humble around people that are older than you and may have been through a lot more. Keep that in mind.